want to see? What's up, boy? So we're staying close enough to a beach that we can just ride our bikes. They even have surf stands on their bicycles. Well, first day in Adelaide, and I've almost gotten bitten by a redback spider and a white-tipped spider, which will put you in the hospital.
You missed good footage of Taylor screaming like a little girl.
No.
It's just good stuff.
Yeah, just in case something happens, spider comes out or something.
It's likely. Maybe a snake.
We're on the wrong side.
Wrong side of the road. Wrong side of the car.
What are you doing? You're going around it all the wrong.
You're on the wrong side.
Sorry. You're going around it the wrong way.
Get on.
What the?
I was gonna wait till she's 17. Excited for a walk?
Just moving some disgusting rainwater tank. Put your back into it.
Yeah. What's happening?
Well, I don't think Fallon's gonna fit.
Wow, I'm through.
Oh, wow.
Amazing.
That was impressive. Feel after lifting the tank.
Pretty good. I'm glad I had the super He-Man strength.
It's a bit crispy, but. Okay. Oh, look. They're delicious.
You're gonna make Hefty proud.
Now we're seeing the mountains of Utah. Now we're gonna go see the hills of Selix.
Just kidding. Coming up on a linebacker from Canada. Number 54. Currently hiking the bluff. Wish us luck. Alright, this is Harold. It is a 1600-year-old birch tree here in Victor Harbor. Isn't that right, Elle?
You're telling lies.
I can't lie.
The everyday Australia lunch. Tuna, cucumbers, capsicum, mushrooms, rice cakes,
avocado.
gluten-free. We're in Hindmarsh Falls looking for wild kangaroos. There's poop everywhere. tuna that Katie caught and some chips.